almost here. Almost here, almost at the lake. Okay, gotta find a good spot. This is not good. No, this is terrible. It's a terrible spot. Oh. We've made it to the lake, and next step is to find an ideal subject to draw. Gotta choose just the right thing. So here we go. This is SoCal. Hi, Grackles. Hi. I'm gonna find a good subject to draw. Something really, really good. Okay, so I think I found our subjects. Yes, these are them. And they're very simple. A kneaded eraser. So the great thing about kneaded erasers is they create very little eraser dust, and you can use it almost like sort of a brush itself. So you can just sort of like erase like this. You could even do it really lightly. You can even dab it. It'll pick up the graphite. Or you can shape the eraser like that. Just go really, really firm. Just a basic number 2 pencil. A scribble gesture, but keeps my hand moving, it keeps my eyes moving. You know, I'm not trying to like make a single detail perfect. We have the shadow being cast from up above down to the surface below, and the form shadow, we have a shadow under the stick due to the light source. Very sloppy drawing. I'm doing this because I need practice. So this is kind of like this little rock here. It's sort of like a modified sphere. The closer the cast shadow is to the object, the crisper the edge is going to be. Further away, the softer it's going to be. The edge of this leaf is almost touching the surface, and so the shadow, the cast shadow, is pretty close. So that's going to be a crisp edge. Here, the edge of the leaf is rising up from the table, and that means it's going to be further away from the surface. So the shadow is just a little bit softer at the edge. Man, I am out of practice. Like, this is good for me. I should do this more often. And then once you have the basic forms all figured out and mapped out, then maybe you can do the details. Like, I can see there's that little center line of the leaf